Awesome. Big dog category. This is the quickest and fastest class of the RC timing system. All eyes on the track. Track is hot. They're coming through. Drivers, watch your light. Green light starts the pair. We got a race, ladies and gentlemen. Right lane for the win. Listen to this. The 01 on the top end for the win. A 164 beats a 163. Take on Mr. Jeffrey Madry out of Conyers, Georgia. Cameras are hot. Pro stock. Round one, B bracket. Drivers, watch your light. Green light start is going to be the left lane for the win. Unfortunately, KJ crossed. Left lane. All right, Gerard Gillum shooting for that 69. Drivers, watch your light. May have happened. He was on a good hit. Let's see what he ran. Drivers, watch your light. Green light start. It's going to be left lane for the win. Left lane for the win. Unfortunately, Keyshawn came across and hit. Watch your light. We got us a race. Left lane for the win. How about 226 at 64 points? Name against Big Bird in the right. Drivers, watch your light. Green light start. The race is going to be JB. Y'all give it up. Little 13-year-old, 96.03 mile. Let's go, guys. Sit them down. Send them. Let's go. I hate to hurry y'all, but guys, we do have weather coming in. We got to go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Fist bumps are in. The banana boat man in the right, left lane. Hot rod. Instant green start, all eyes on the starting line.
Oh, what do I say?
Drivers, watch your light. Green light starts the pair. We got a race. Right lane for the win. 172, 96.57 mile per hour. The kid is on a tear. But hey, how about a big hand for Hot Rod, y'all? 174, 93 mile per hour. 172, 96.57. Nice hit. Either one of these guys are in the money because they have made it down to the bracket of the final of A. Here we go.
Race me.
Drivers, watch your light. We got us a race, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be the right lane. Unfortunately, KJ could not hold the car from coming through. Y'all give it a shootout right here. Beautiful surface we got here at Anvil Block. Drivers, watch your light. Green light starts the pair. It's going to be Gerard Gillum going to the final round. Jamie Bennington will be a semi-finalist. How about a big hand? Wild stock category here at the second annual Drag Illustrated Armageddon event. Drivers, watch your light. Green light starter, looks like it's going to be KJ for the win. He's going in DI. Y'all give a big hand to KJ. KJ Allen is your winner.